Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into WordPress account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your WordPress account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after that, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address wordpress.com. And you'll enter, and after that you'll be redirected to the home page of WordPress. Now in order to sign into your account, at the top right corner of the screen there is the sign in button available for us. Click on that. And over here guys, you can see your login panel over here. Now in order to log into your WordPress account, you can directly enter your email address over here of your account or your username guys, whichever may it be. Or guys, if you want to log into your WordPress account with your Google, Apple, GitHub or email link login or via app on your phone, you can go through these processes. And after saying that guys, click on those to open the panel to which a login page to your respective accounts will open. And if you sign into your account, you'll be logged into WordPress with those. And now to proceed to log into your account, after entering your email address, click on continue. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter the password of your account. Over here guys, enter the password of your account, whichever may it be. And after that, click on the login button available over here. But guys, if you forgot your password, you can always click on the lost your password to go through your procedure to either reset or retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email and password, click on the login, and then you'll be logged into your WordPress account on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your WordPress account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.